When Mr. Venkat called me yesterday to make a few words, to talk a few words on this particular topic, immediately I could recollect my previous experience, which made me a successful advertising guy in Hyderabad now. It was almost 18 years back. In fact, after my graduation, after my mass communication and all, after entering into advertising field, so I have a vague idea, feeling that I'm very creative. Okay, so to show myself as a creative guy, obviously creativity is a show game, right? Why we are making films, why we are making ads means it's a hi-fi. We are creating something hype to the product or whatever it is. So I just wanted to show to everybody that I'm a creative guy. So, and more often I used to participate in, I used to go and visit all these exhibitions. What kind of exhibitions means? Painting exhibitions, all this, these kind of exhibitions I used to go and see. Normally the creative exhibitions will be there, all big painters will put their paint. So a lot of people used to come. So I also used to go there along with sometimes alone, sometimes with my friends. So unfortunately, 60% of the display I could not understand there. I think most of the people would have experienced that. Whenever you visit any modern art gallery or what, you could not understand what exactly is, is there. So, but I don't want to say to anybody that I didn't understand. General human, tendency is that. Sometimes my friends also used to come along with, they also used to act like that. So we are acting like that for some certain days. So many times we used to go, but how many times you can see a Arabic picture or, you can't understand. One time, two time, okay. Second time, third time, fourth time. So one fine day I decided that I started thinking, am I really a creative guy? And will I fit to this field or not? Or better to look for some other alternative field? Then, but advertising is my passion. That's the reason I came to, Hyderabad and started my career in advertising. Then I decided somehow I have to make it. Then I started asking questions, what is creative? Everybody talks, so many books talks about creative, and some typical, meaning will be there about creative. And with my experience, I come to know that creativity is nothing but a clarity, right? Some people might accept, some people might not accept. But it is crystal clear evidence that unless you have a defined idea about a particular product or a service, you cannot make it. Clarity means what? See, when you are working on a strategy, on a marketing strategy, you should have a clear idea about the goals and objectives. Once you become successful in your, in the market, that means comparatively with competitors, you are becoming successful. That means you are clear about the defined goals and all. You are little more ahead than the competitors, isn't it? So that means you are clear about your idea. So generally what happens nowadays, a lot of feature films are coming, where people are spending, producers are spending more than 100 crores, 200 crores. Sometimes it is getting okay, but sometimes within 2 days it's going out of the theater. But a film, which short films nowadays all the youth are shooting, like without any budget, it is getting more number of clicks or more number of visuals, right? So it's not the budget. Creativity is not, if you spend more money, creativity will not come. You can create some colorful setting, this, that, and ultimately the concept should be very crystal clear. Whatever you are trying to tell, you tell it very simply, it should be clear. That's what I'm precisely telling. Creativity is nothing but clarity. Clarity of mind, clarity of strategy, clarity of the message what you are going to tell, isn't it? So, after understanding this, I thought of, it's better to implement in such a way that, whatever I understood should be more clear to the public as well as to the audience. Then, with this, strategic thinking, we have built so many brands in Hyderabad, including Pragati Resorts, Leeds Medical Center, certain, and I name a few, like Rao's Group of Educational Institutions, Sam KRG Pistons. Like that, these are the clients which we have built the brand. We can proudly say these are the clients which are there in my portfolio. The success of an advertising agency depends on how many brands you have built, right? Not only advertising agency, like certain people works like a brand managers, brand executives and all. Even for them also, how best they are projecting their brand in the market, that is more important, okay? And these brands sometimes works a lot. It makes wonders also. Recently, I think everybody would have read in newspapers that, I don't want to name it, a particular print media newspaper has mortgaged its brand and taken loan from the bank. I think you can recollect that. That's the one, I think they are mortgaged. So that is the miracle of a brand. It's an invisible product. So for example, if you take a land, empty land, that might cost around 10 lakh or 20 lakh it is. When you start building the house, after completing the brick by brick, once you build the house, the brand creates, isn't it? Then the cost of the price of the house increases. Like how, over a period of time, the brand will be, it's an asset. It's an asset to the organization. For example, because of building the brands, I made my brand, I built my brand. That's the reason I was here. Otherwise, who is Sukumar, nobody knows, isn't it? So, in marketing or in advertising, wherever it is, you need to build a brand in such a way that that should reap benefits in the future. It's a personality. The brand is a personality of any company, so, and it reaps a lot of benefits in future also. That is the reason most of the companies wants to build brands, because that is an asset. Even the companies in doldrums, brands works for them in a different manner. They can sell it. They can get a loan on that. So many things happening in the in the new marketing trends. So that is one. And when it comes to creativity and filmmaking, as I told you, the objective should be defined very clearly and the message should be very precise. Because normally what happens, people think that creativity is something like flowers, butterflies and all. No, it is not that. For example, if you see any feature films which are failed, they would have spent a lot of money and they would have put a lot of big settings and costumes, mind-blowing effects and all, but still it fails. But a small short film or any feature film which where they spend around 1 crore or not even 1 crore, but it touches the heart. It touches the heart. So that means the person who is making that film is crystal clear about the clarity is there, and what he wants. See, simple example. The message which is going faster than your competitor. He is my competitor. I made a film, he made a film. He has got some pipes, I got some pipes. I made a film, he made a film. My message is reaching the target customer very fast. Why? Because he is receiving that message. The frequency of the frequency is much faster than his message. Probably his message might show in a different manner. Like that. So you should be clear. Clarity should be there. The creativity is nothing but clarity, boss. That's what I can tell you.